हरे कृष्णा प्रभु।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
प्रभु कोई आया नहीं है अभी, थोड़ी देर देखते हैं।
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक
यस,
है माता जी।
1 मिनट।
ओके।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा।
Okay, let's start with 4 people, 3 people. Sorry. Yes, I hope others come soon. Okay. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी।
जय गोपी जन वल्लभा गिरधारी।
यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन
जमुना तीरा वनचारी।
वनचारी।
यमुना तीरा वनचारी।
यमुना तीरा वनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
जय राधा श्याम सुंदर राधे।
जय राधा श्याम सुंदर राधा श्याम सुंदर राधे।
जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह।
जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह जय प्रहलाद नरसिंह।
जय गौरा नित्याय जय गौरा नित्याय।
जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय।
जय जय प्रभुपाद जय श्रील प्रभुपाद।
जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय श्रील प्रभुपाद।
जय श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। 15 चैप्टर। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Okay. Today we'll do text number 11 and 12. Let's first recite all these shlokas. Okay. Can you recite one by one after another? Yes, starting with Sanjita Mataji. First shloka, Mataji.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha
श्री भगवान
Vanuvaच
Udvamulam Adashakam
ऊर्ध्वमूलम् अधशाखम्
Ashwatham Prahur Avyayam
Ashwatam
प्राहुर्यम्
Chandamsi Yasya Parnani
Chandamani
Yastam Veda Savedavid.
Yastam
Yastam Veda Savedavid.
2 seconds. Deenbandhu Prabhu.
अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रस्तस्तस्य शाखा
Adashchodastasya shakha
पुनः प्रवृद्धा विषया प्रबाला
Guna pravardha vishaya pravala
तश्च मूलानि अनुसन्ततानि
Adashtamulani anusantata
क्रमानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके
Karma.
Karmanubandhini
बन्धीनि
Manusya.
मनुष्यलोके
Okay, third and fourth, Abhishek Prabhu.
Okay. न रूपमस्येह तथा उपलब्धे
नारू
Narupamase tatapalabhyate. Can you repeat, Prabhu?
Okay. न रूपमस्येह तथो उपलब्धते
Narupamase tatapalabhyate.
नान्तो न चार्दिन न च संप्रतिष्ठा
Nanto
Nato
Adi
Sadina Sampratishtha
अश्वत्थम् एवानस्तु विरूढमूलम्
Ashwattham
Bharadvamestu
Suvirudamulam
असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा
असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन
So
तथा
Shastra, yes.
तथा पदं तथा पदं तत्परिमार्गतव्यम्
Tata padam
Tata
tat
Padam
parimargitavyam
Tatparimargitavyam
यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः
yasmin
यस्मिन्
gatana
गता न
nivartanti bhuyaha
तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये
tameva chadam
Chadyam
purusham
Purusha
prapadye
Padye
यथा प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी
yata
यथा
Yata
pravritti
Pravritti
prasruta
Prasuta Puram.
purani. Yes, fifth one, Suhani Mataji.
या निर्माणमोहाजितसङ्गदोषा
Nirmanamoha
अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामः
निर्वृत्तकामः
द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ता सुखदुःखसंज्ञैर्
निर्मुक्ता सुखदुःखसंज्ञे
गच्छन्त्यमूढा पदमाव्ययं तत्
गच्छन्ति मूढा पदमाव्ययं तत्
So this is Gacchantya, not Gaccham.
गच्छन्ति yeah,
Yeah.
I heard it.
Yeah. Okay. Text 6, Rubina Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes,
Sorry, I
yes.
have noisy background. That's why I'm on
Oh,
mute.
that's fine. Text 6.
न तद्भास्यते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः
न
न
तद्भासते
तद्भासते
सूर्यो
सूर्यो
न
न शशाङ्को
शशाङ्को
न
न
पावकः
पावकः
Yad gatva na nirvatante tadham paramam mam.
यद्
यत्
गत्वा न निर्वर्तन्ते तद्धाम
So
मम
this
परमं
is
मम.
Mataji. Yeah, I have not commented on your post still. Sorry for that. Yadgatva na nivartante तद्धम परमम मम. So तद्धम नहीं है, लेकिन तद्धम परमम मम. You are
Tadham.
yes, तद्धम परमम मम.
हाथ से खाने दो।
Tadham paramam mama.
Not तद्धम, तद्धम परमम.
Tadham.
Because this is ma, like
Yeah.
tadhama, complete.
Yeah. Tadhama paramam mam.
Mama, mama भी ऐसे पूरा.
Yeah. Mama.
Mama,
Tadhama paramam mama.
yes. यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धमा परमं मम.
Yad gatva na nirvatante tad
निवर्तन्ते.
nivartante. Yeah. Yad
निवर्
gatva nivartante
yes.
tadham
If you
paramam
go bit
mama.
slow, you can recite very nicely. तद्गत. So न तद्भास्यते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम.
न तद्भास्यते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद् गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद् धाम परमं मम.
Yes, nivartante. Okay.
निवर्तन्ते.
Okay.
Hare
Let's
Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you. Vaishali Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. I hope you are not traveling.
I'm not traveling, but I'm sneezing. That's why I've mute on mute Mataji.
Yeah, I know you are sick. Yeah. If you
Mama
can recite this one, yeah.
Mamaevansho Jivaloke Jivabhuta
Mamaevansho
Sanatana
जीवलोके जीवभूता
Sanatana
सनातनः
Manashashtani Indriyani
मनसष्ठानि इन्द्रियाणि
मनसष्टानीन्द्रियाणि
Prakriti Sthani Karshati.
प्रकृतिस्थानि
प्रकृतिस्थानि
कर्षति.
कर्षति.
This is मनषष्ठानि इन्द्रियाणि. Not sha, but shashtani. Yes, you are right, Mataji. I was wrong. That's it. Okay. Who else is remaining? Yes, let us start our chakra again. Sanjita Mataji.
शरीरं यदवाप्नोति
शरीरं
शरीरं
वाप्नोति
यद्वाप्नोति
यच्चाप्युत्क्रमतीश्वरः
यच्चापि
यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः
गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति
ग्रहीत्वेतानि
गृहीत्वैतानि
वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात्
वायुर्गन्धानि वाशय.
Good. Okay. Next one. Deenbandhu Prabhu.
स्तोत्रं चक्षुस्मर्पणं च
Parshanam. Repeat. Yes, repeat.
स्पर्शनं च
श्रोत्रं च
श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं
Parshanam
च
cha.
रसनं ग्रहणम् एव च
रसनं
Rasanam
घ्राणमेव
cha.
च
अधिष्ठ अधिष्ठ अधिष्ठाय मानसचयम्
अधिष्ठाय
अधिष्ठाय
मनश्चायं
मनश्चयम्
विषयान् उपासवते सॉरी
Vishayan
विषयानुपसेवते
Upasevate. If you are
विषयानुपसेवते.
comfortable in reading Hindi also, then you should go for this one, Prabhu, because this sometimes this becomes like too long for us. इतना पढ़ने जाते हैं तब तक में हमारा टाइम खत्म हो जाता है. So this is very easy. Vishayan Upasevate. If you are Hindi bhasha, you can easily read this. So adhisthaya manaschayam vishayan upasevate.
विषयान् ठीक ओके माता जी.
Yes, thank you, Prabhu. Okay, 9th, 10th. Okay, yes, Abhishek Prabhu.
Okay.
This is the last one we learned in the last session. थोड़ा नीचे करो. Okay.
उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि
उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि
भुञ्जानं
भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं
भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं
विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति
विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति
पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः
पश्यन्ति
पठन्ति
ज्ञानचक्षुषः.
ज्ञानचक्षुषः.
So we learned up to here last week. So Utkramantam Sthiti. So what is the journey of the soul that nobody can understand? Only the people who are actual seers of truth, they can only understand this. So Utkramantam Sthiti, how it goes out from the body. Bhunjanam va gunanvitam. And what happens to it, nobody can understand. Vimudhananupashyanti. The people who are foolish, who are not conscious of Krishna, who don't believe, they are the non-believers. They are not self-realized. The people who are such, they cannot understand. Nanupashyanti. Pashyanti gnanachakshusha. Who has got spiritual vision, like seers of truth, they can understand. So the people who are pure devotees of Krishna, they can understand that the journey of this soul, where it goes and how it travels and the science behind it. Okay, so, and the text 11th. Okay, we'll try to read. Yatanto yogina chainam yatanto yoginaschainam paschanti atman avasthitam paschantyatmanyavasthitam paschantyatmanyavasthitam yatanto yoginaschainam paschantyatmanyavasthitam yatanto api akrutatmano yatanto apyakrutatmano nainam paschanti achetasah nainam paschantyachetasaः. Okay, good. Yatanto yoginaschainam paschantyatmanyavasthitam paschantyatmanyavasthitam yatanto apyakrutatmano yatanto apyakrutatmano nainam paschantachetasah yatanto yoginaschainam paschantyatmanyavasthitam
पश्यन्ति आत्मानि अवस्थितम्
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽपि
कृतात्मानो
कृतात्मानो
नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः।
नैनं पश्यन्ति
पश्यन्त्यचेतसः
ओके, यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मान्यवस्थितम्।
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं
पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितम्
अवस्थितम्
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो नैनं पश्यन्त चेतसः।
यतन्तोऽपि
कृतात्मानो
कृतात्मानो
नयनं
नैनं
पश्यन्त्यचेतसः
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मान्यवस्थितम्।
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मावस्थितम्
आत्मान्यवस्थितम्।
आत्मान्यवस्थितम्
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः।
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो नयनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः
One more time. यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मान्यवस्थितम्।
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं
योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितम्
पश्यन्त्यात्मावस्थितम्
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो नैनं पश्यन्त चेतसः।
यतन्तोऽपि
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
कृत्मात्मानो
नयनं
नैनं पश्यन्ति
पश्यन्त्यचेतसः
चेतसः
Okay. So Sanskrit verses, if you speak loudly, you can speak very clearly and perfectly. So don't be shy and speak loudly as best as you can, louder as you can. Yes, who would like to recite first? Just start reciting. Sanjita Mataji, yes.
Yeah, Mataji. यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं
यतन्तो
योगिनश्चैनं
पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितम्
पश्यन्त्यात्मावस्थितम्
पश्यन्त्यात्मनिवस्थितम्
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
नयनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः
नैनं
नैनं
पश्यन्ति
पश्यन्ति
चेतसः.
चेतसः
Yes, Suhani Mataji.
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं
यतन्तो
यतन्तो
योगिनश्चैनं
योगिनश्चैनं
पश्यन्त्यात्
त्या
sorry, can you please repeat that?
पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितम्.
पश्यन्त्यात्मनिवस्थितम्
Okay, for in the beginning you can read here also. Pashyantyatmanyavasthitam.
पश्यन्त्यात्मनिवस्थितम्
Yes, that will become easier. Pashyantyatmanyavasthitam.
निवस्थितम् यन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
नैनं पश्यन्त चेतसः
नैनं
नैनं
पश्यन्त्य
पश्यन्ति
चेतसः.
चेतसः
You want to read next second line again, Mataji?
yes
Yeah.
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽपि
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
नैनं पश्यन्त चेतसः
नैनं
नैनं
पश्यन्त्य
पश्यन्ति
चेतसः.
चेतसः
So you can use both the texts. Like when you can't understand here, you can look here, and again you can come here, like that. That's what how I do. Yes, Abhishek Prabhu.
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं
यतन्तो
योगिनश्चैनं
योगिनश्चैनं
पश्यन्त्यात्मानि अवस्थितम्
पश्यन्त्यात्मान्यवस्थितम्.
यतन्तोऽपि कृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
नैनं पश्यन्ति चेतसः
नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः. Okay. नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः.
नैनं पश्यन्ति चेतसः
No, it becomes ulta na. Pashyanti chetasa. So it is actually achetasa. Okay.
Okay.
So that's
नैनं पश्यन्ति अचेतसः
so instead of reciting like pashyanti achetasa, you have to go here and you have to read pashyantyachetasa.
Okay.
So E turns to, if you combine these two words, then it becomes sandhi jodna. Pashyantya chetasaha.
नैनं पश्यन्ते चेतसः
So you don't consider two words, consider as single word. So pashyantya, tya,
पश्यन्ते
tya,
चेतसः
right? So pashyantya chetasaha.
नैनं पश्यन्ते चेतसः
Good, very nice. Okay, Adin Bandhu Prabhu.
यन्तो योगिनाश्चैनं
Yatanto
यतन्तो
yoginashchayanam
योगिनश्चैनं
योगिनाश्चैनं
यन्ति आत्मनि अवस्थितम्
पश्यन्ति आत्मानं
pasyantyatmanyavasthitam. So here also you are combining, although they are different words, you can combine. Pasyantyatmanyavasthitam.
पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितम्
Because this word is combined, so you have to check here first. If you can't read it here, then you are going down, right? But you are reading a single word, so you cannot separate them. Pasyantyatmanyavasthitam, right? That you have to read. But once you know this word, no, like little bit of it, then you can easily read it. But it requires bit of practice. Yes, next line, Prabhu.
अकृत्तत्मानो
यतन्तोऽपि
Yatantyapyakruttatmano.
कृतात्मानो
You can
नैनं
repeat.
पश्यन्ति अचेतस
Nainam
पश्यन्ते
pashyantya
चेतसः
Okay. Who else would like to recite? Vaishali Mataji, you know, right?
Yes, Mataji, I was stuck with this. Otherwise, I would have sent you the whole words.
Okay, then you can recite Mataji.
Yeah. Yatanto yoginashchayanam
Yatanto
यतन्तो
yoginashchayanam
शयनं
पश्यन्त्यात्मान्यवस्थितम्
pasyantyatmanyavasthitam.
पश्यन्तात्मानवस्थितम्
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽपि
Yatantyapyakruttatmano.
कृतात्मानो
नैनं पश्यन्त चेतसः
Nainam
नैनं
pashyantya
पश्यन्ते
chetasaha.
चेतसः
Okay, Rubina Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Can you recite Mataji this one?
Yes, Mataji. Just
Yeah.
a second. Yatanto yogiश्चैनं
Yatanto
यतन्तो
yoginashchayanam. So complete it. Yatanto yoginashchayanam.
यतन्तो योगिनाश्चैनं
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं
पश्यन्त्यात्मानमवस्थितम्
Pasyantyatmanyavasthitam.
पश्यन्ति आत्मनि अवस्थितम्
Pasyantyatmanyavasthitam. So
पश्यन्त्यात्मानवस्थितं
because this is one word, so you are not speaking Pashyanti Atmani Avasthitam, not like that, but
पश्यन्ति
Pashyantya.
आत्मनि
Yeah.
अवस्थितम्
Make it Tya and
Yeah.
Anyavasthitam.
Yeah.
Okay.
पश्यन्ति आत्मनि
Manyavasthitam.
अवस्थितम्
पश्यन्त्यात्मानवस्थितं
Pasyantyatmanyavasthitam.
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽपि कृतात्मानो
ज्ञानं पश्यन्त चेतस
Nainam
नैनं
Pashyanta
पश्यन्ते चेतसः
Chetasaha.
Mataji, can you recite again, please?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं
Yatanto
यतन्तो योगिनश्च
yoginashchayanam.
पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितम्
Pasyantyatmanyavasthitam.
पश्यन्त्यात्मानवस्थितं
यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानो
यतन्तोऽपि
Yatantyapyakruttatmano.
कृतात्मानो
नैनं पश्यन्त चेतस
Nainam
नैनं
Pashyanta
पश्यन्ते
Chetasaha.
चेतसः
हरे कृष्ण
Okay, thank you, Hare Krishna Mataji. Okay, Yatanti, synonyms, Yatantya, Yatanta,
यतन्त
just a moment. Yatanta, endeavoring,
endeavoring
Yogina,
योगिनः
transcendentalist,
transcendently
Cha,
च
also,
also
also
Enam,
एनं
this,
this
Pashyanti,
पश्यन्ति
पश्यन्ति
can see,
can
can see
Atmani,
आत्मानि
Atmani,
आत्मनि
in the self,
in the
In-
self,
in the self,
avasthitam,
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 situated,
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 yatantaha,
Yatantaha,
endeavoring,
endeavor,
endeavoring,
api,
api,
although,
although,
although
akritatma, akrita atmana,
akrita,
Akrita Atmanaha,
those without self-realization,
those without
those
self,
without self-realization,
na,
now
no,
do not,
do
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 not
not
enam,
enam
is,
this,
this
pashyanti,
pasyanti
si,
the
si
achetasa,
achetasa,
Yatasa,
having undeveloped minds.
having
have
undeveloped minds.
Okay. So, yatanto yoginaschainam pashyantyatmanyavasthitam. So, yoginaschainam, who are yogis, who are actual bhakti yogis, they can see because they are situated in their selves. They are steady, sthita prajna, in self-realized, right? Steady-minded, steadily situated in devotional service of Krishna. They can understand. Again, Krishna is repeating several verses several times sometimes. So so the previous verse he has kept he's trying to explain in a different way. Just like while I am speaking, I am reciting, I'm giving you in a different sense how what the meaning is. The same way Krishna is telling to Arjuna, and to make him understand, he repeats several verses in Bhagavad Gita, throughout Bhagavad Gita, many times. Some verses are just as such, they are repeated, and just the last sentence, few sentences are different. So
You should have just read it.
so that's how Krishna also works. He's a good teacher. So we all should learn how to repeat and repeat. So yatanto apya krutatmano nainam pashyanta chetasa. So although a yogi can understand because he's self-realized where the soul goes, but the people who are akrutatma, who are not situated in their selves, who are not self-realized. So however they try, yatanto, itna sara yatan, they are trying their best, but still nainam pashyanta chetasaha. So because their chetana, their minds are underdeveloped, they are not developed in Krishna consciousness. Their minds are still into mundane consciousness. That's why they cannot understand. Okay, so this is the same similar verse as similar to previous verse, which we already had some discussion. So I would like to give an example. Today I was giving it to this Suhani Mataji also, this same example. I was listening to Subhuvilas Prabhu's lecture on yoga ladder. So Bhakti Yoga is not that easy process. So all other yogas are very easy. In yoga ladder, you first have Karma Yoga, right? Which is just doing your karma and giving your fruits of activities to Krishna, giving, like you are earning something and you are giving some money to Krishna. That is called Karma Yoga. Connecting to Krishna, your karma, right? That is Karma Yoga. Then the next step is Gnana Yoga. Then the next process is to attain some knowledge, and which is the Brahman realization. So after you are doing your duties perfectly, you go for some devotional service, some sort of devotion. So starts with the Brahman realization, just like we have rays of the sun. So first of all, we get to see the rays of the sun before the sun, right? So that is called Gnana Yoga. They believe in the effulgence of Krishna. And then the next step of the ladder is yoga ladder is Dhyana Yoga. Then they start meditating, understanding that these rays are coming from somewhere. So they start meditating on the Paramatma form of the feature of Krishna. So which is situated in each one of us. So such kind of Paramatma Vadi believes that Krishna is in you also, you also, you also. So he is basically the humanitarian person. So he believes in humanity and he does charity and all those things. He believes in that. So most of in people in today's world, they are Paramatma Vadi. And then above that is who believes in Bhagavan. So that is called Bhakti Yogi. And they believe in the form of Krishna. And they worship the form of Krishna. So that is the highest of yoga. So the lecture I was listening to Shubh Vilas Prabhu's lecture. So I would, if you give me 2 minutes, I will just quickly share that picture of those monkeys and we'll try to understand. Just a minute. Okay, so this is that picture. Okay, so forget about this. She has sent me the videos. Yeah, so what happens that these 5 monkeys, they are trying to get onto the ladder. Okay, so as soon as the first monkey goes, that is a brave monkey, he tries to step on the ladder. So first step he climbs, the second step he climbs. By the time he reaches the third and fourth step, there is a shower of very cold water. Okay, so and behind him also the other monkeys are following him, this monkey. So ultimately they all come down and they are not able to reach these bananas. Okay, so then the next 5 monkeys also come, the next bunch of 5 monkeys, they come, and then they try, they say that why these monkeys are sitting on the ground, let us try. So they also try to climb this ladder, seeing the banana on the top, they think let us have bananas. So they also same way, they try, and the shower of very cold water comes from the top and they also get down. And now this 5 plus another 5, these 10 monkeys are sitting on the ground. Okay, then there comes next group of another 5 monkeys. They see all these 10 monkeys sitting on the ground, and although these nice bananas were on the top of the ladder, they think that they started thinking that if these 10 monkeys are sitting on the ground, they must have tried, but they are unsuccessful. So why should we also try? And let's just live our normal life. And these monkeys, by that time, they were not that sad, right? They looked happy, quite happy, fine. So those now there are 15 monkeys. They are all sitting on the ground, having their nice life, and they are being merry. They are happy. Okay. So this teaches us that this is the yoga ladder. The first is karma yoga, dhyana yoga, gnana yoga, dhyana yoga. That is still easy process. But as soon as you go towards bhakti yoga, as Prabhupada has prescribed us 16 rounds, chanting 4 regulative principles, only eating prasadam, this becomes too much difficult. This is very austere thing for some people. And then they leave this ladder. Okay, and then they think that instead of climbing up this all ladder and doing such a hard work for Krishna, and who knows Krishna is there or not. Okay, they start doing what? The mundane exercises. They do just the karma yoga. Okay, karma hi puja. Let us do just karma yoga. We'll give some amount of money to Krishna, that's fine. And then at the most they will do they will acquire some knowledge or Brahman realization or Ashtanga yoga. They will do some exercises and pranayam, dhyan, dharana, all those things, but they will not go towards bhakti yoga. So बोलते हैं ना कि क्या वो बेर खट्टे हैं तो ऊपर नहीं जाना है, तो ये ऐसा है तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन nowadays they are not trying to do bhakti yoga because this is a trend. They have seen other monkeys are sitting, they are having nice exercises, and that's how they are relishing their life and they are happy with it. So why should we also endeavor? Because whatever is easier process to achieve Krishna, we should do that. And they don't know that they are not going to achieve this ultimate goal of these bananas. To achieve the Goloka, you have to do bhakti yoga. You can't do with this all these yogas up to Gnana yoga, Dhyana yoga. You cannot go. You can by Dhyana yoga you can go up to the Vaikuntha planet. But if you want to go to Goloka, you have to do bhakti yoga. So I thought this is a very nice example he gave actually. So it's very interesting. So the other day I was teaching to the children also the same thing. This is very interesting example. So only few people can understand such kind of matters. Okay, this is the same screen, I think. Okay, fine. So so that's why most of the yogis apya krutatmano. So they are not self-realized. So that's why they cannot understand. However, they endeavor, but they cannot understand where the soul goes or the Krishna consciousness. They cannot become Krishna conscious, perfectly Krishna conscious people. And that's why they cannot understand the science of Bhakti Yoga or science of Krishna. So,
Hare
science
Krishna,
of
Mataji.
soul also. Yes, Mataji.
Sorry, Mataji, for interrupting. But wasn't Adi Shankaracharya a yogi?
Adi Shankaracharya, yes, you can say him a yogi because he was a Paramatmavadi.
Yeah, and in the end, he also
He was actually Brahmavadi, not Paramatma. So Brahman realization, that is Gnana Yogi.
But Mataji, why did he in the end say Govinda is everything? Bhaj Govindam.
Bhaja Govindam Modumai. Yes, so actually this Jagannath Ashtakam, that is also has been written by Adi Shankaracharya. Jagannath
Yes,
Ashtakam. Jagannath Ashtakam. Okay. So see what Leela Purushottam Prabhu says many a times, that although we claim that we are Bhakti Yogis, we believe in the form of Krishna, but inside us we also have we are also like little Brahmavadi only, because we don't believe like Krishna is sitting in front of me, right? I don't believe that he is actually sitting in front of me, and it is very difficult to understand this. So most of us, these are called Mayavadis in short. Their name Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave is Mayavadi, because they think that Krishna can be covered by Maya. So they are called Mayavadis. So why Krishna can be covered by Maya? Because when he was on the earth, he was playing such a beautiful pastimes that they thought that Krishna got injured by this arrow. That's why he died, and all those things. So Naham Prakasha Sarvasya Yoga Maya Samavrita Mudo Ham Na Vijanati Loko Mamajam Avyayam. Krishna says to Arjuna that in 7th chapter that I am not realized by everyone. Naham Prakasha Sarvasya Yoga Maya Samavrita, because of the curtain of the Yoga Maya. Nobody, very few people. Mudo ham na vijan. The foolish people, they deride of my presence. They deride my presence. They don't believe in my presence. Lokomam ajam avyayam. That I am avyayam. I am indestructible. I am eternal. Very few people can understand my actual who am I. Very few people understand. So although these people are called as Mayavadi by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but we are also little Mayavadis only. So in Bhagavad Gita, Srila Prabhupada has also mentioned at several places that that they believe in the effulgence, they can't cross the Brahman effulgence, they can't go to Vaikuntha planet, they remain in the effulgence for millions of years without serving Krishna, this Mayavadi people. But who knows, we are also Mayavadis. Who knows our bhakti? I don't know my bhakti. Okay, although we chant every day 16 rounds and we claim, but if inside us we are also Mayavadis, okay, we don't believe in the form of Krishna. When we go to the temple, Prabhupada is sitting there, Radha Shyam Sundar is there, right? But we do all kinds of mundane things there in the temple room inside, right? So we don't believe ultimately. So that's what, Mataji, that although Adi Shankaracharya is a Mayavadi, but still he can realize that Krishna, who is Jagannath, and he wrote Jagannath Astakam, right? So but at the same time, why Prabhupada has wrote in Bhagavad Gita several times that these are Mayavadis and this is Bhaktas, we are devotees. Why he's differentiating that? So that we can understand that we shouldn't go straight away to that path. If we have started this bhakti, although currently we are Mayavadis, little Mayavadis, I am Mayavadi, at least I can tell myself. So one day, if we know the difference, we can move towards Bhakti Yoga. Not like that monkeys, okay, oh, shower, niche baith jao, chalega, nahi jana hai upar. So at least we know what is Bhakti, and we know that to achieve Goloka is not that easy. In ISKCON, it is a very famous thing. People will say, oh yeah, this life should be the last life, and we should be going back to Godhead. So it's not that easy to go back to Godhead. It's extremely difficult. So
Sorry, Mataji, for interrupting again.
yes.
But Mataji, why and how can you call yourself a Mayavadi when you're already in the process of cutting Maya?
Yes, but when we go to temple, Mataji, this is like litmus test. When you go to temple, do we believe that Radha Shyam Sundar is standing in front of us? I don't believe most of the times. That I still believe in Prabhupada sometimes. That Prabhupada is sitting, I should be quiet. If somebody agitates me, I be quiet. Okay. But Radha Shyam Sundar, to understand Radha Krishna is standing there, it's a very high level topic. So for
But
me,
Mataji, in that process, you're in a process to change. Like at least you know that you want to cultivate that feeling. Then how, like, is it out of humbleness that you're calling yourself a Mayavadi, or we are Mayavadis? Like we have been Mayavadis for so long, but
yeah.
are we still?
So Mataji, even Leela Bhushan Prabhu says, because we don't know our actual self. We claim that we are chanting 16 rounds, we are bhakti yogis, but do we know our inside? So to be humble, at least we should think that we are far away from. Still we have a long distance to travel. So the science of self-realization is not that easy. That's why it is saying, Krishna is repeating in 2 verses that the mudha, they cannot understand, foolish people, and so that's the thing, Mataji. So why he had to repeat this two times to Arjuna even. Right. So this process is not that easy to understand. As deeper as we go into the bhakti, we understand how far we are actually. This humility comes when you actually try to understand the science, Just like when I started driving the car, no, I started learning the car lessons, how to drive. I thought that okay, steering aise ghumao, and that's how you drive the car. And then when I started taking car lessons, she said that see, this is how you have to hold, and this should be at the 90-degree, and this is how you reverse park, and the different kinds of driving. So when we go inside the topic, we understand how deeper the topic is. So externally, it looks, that's why the people who are, that's why Mataji, most of us are neophytes only. So Prabhupada was also calling himself neophytes. I saw in his that serial also. So most of the neophytes, that's why it happens that we all believe in Krishna, but we don't believe in the devotees of Krishna and how to act with the devotees, how to consider devotees, even because Krishna considered devotees higher than himself even. So this is our level that we don't, that's why we don't believe in Krishna also, that because we don't believe in the bhaktas of devotee, Krishna. So is a लेक्चर थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा फिर but
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you.
yeah, so this is a great science, Mataji. Actually इसके अंदर it's a whirlpool. इतना जितना अंदर जाओगे उतना अभी भी डीप है अंदर. So questions आते रहेंगे माताजी के. So we are also not bhakti. I don't call myself. तो हम भी छोटे छोटे मायावादीज हैं. If we are really believing in Krishna, राधा श्याम सुंदर, तो हमें ना एक बार मैंने सुना था कहीं पे कि if one understands that I am the soul, ठीक है, if we believe in Radha Shyam Sundar, we will believe in soul. We are not on bodily platform. Okay, then only we can understand Radha Shyam Sundar is standing in front of us. If we are on the bodily ground, we cannot understand Radha Krishna is standing in front of us. We cannot. That's not possible. And if we come on the soul platform, out of this bodily platform, then आपने देखा है चैतन्य महाप्रभु कैसे रहते थे, right? If we are on the soul platform, we'll be almost like a madman. So the people who are really pure devotees, you cannot identify them because they will look like a madman only, almost like that. Sometimes we can see some devotees, they will come to temple, they are not on bodily platform. They are actually pure devotees. They know who is Krishna, who are those, they themselves. So these coverings, if we come out of it, then only we can see actually Radha Shyam Sundar is standing in front of us. Otherwise, ये माया, ये हमारे में भी covering बहुत बड़ा है, very thick layer. So yes, but Prabhupada is every time he is trying to differentiate between Bhakti Yogi and Mayavadi. And Leela Bhushan Prabhu also said that Adi Shankaracharya is so-called Mayavadi, but he has written Jagannath Ashtakam. I only question him once. बहुत पहले क्वेश्चन मैंने अच्छा जगन्नाथ अष्टकम कैसे लिखा उन्होंने, if he is Mayavadi. So yes, so he only says Punarapi Jananam Punarapi Manam Punarapi Jarani Jashani ये संसार है बहुत दुस्तार है कृपया पाहि पार उतार. ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो सेम थिंग. यस दीपक, दीन बंधु प्रभु.
Mataji, so went through this journey of coming to Bhakti Yoga, as you said, you're still not Bhakti Yoga, you're still Mayavadis. I totally believe your statement. Totally understand what you're saying. Conviction, the gravity is not there. So we can't call ourselves Bhakti Yogis, we're still Mayavadis. But I started years ago when I was in this process. I started attending classes, and Vivek Chudamani. Vivek Chudamani is a book written by Shankaracharya for the beginners. So he says that read this book before you start reading any Vedas, Upanishads, and everything written by me. So he says that. The first 32 sloks of that book, he writes what he's going to tell. Okay. Now, before he starts telling something else, on the 33rd slok of Vivek Chudamani, he says, Mokshakaram samagramam bhakti reva gariyasi. He says, let me tell you clearly here, in order to get moksha, all the ingredients you put in, bhakti reva gariyasi. Bhakti is the main ingredient you need to add. So he says that in the 34th shloka, let me tell you, even before I start anything, that bhakti is the main ingredient you need.
Yes.
That's what Shankaracharya says. And at that shloka, when I read the shloka, I quit. Quit that path. I said, okay, now this person who is the biggest Gyan Yogi known in the world, he is saying that let me tell you that this is the main ingredient. Then why should I spend time going exploring all this Gyan Yoga? You know, that was a very big U-turn in my life. That's Shankaracharya.
Yes.
You know, people chanting him as you said, so-called Gyan Yogi.
Yes.
He declares before.
He's Adi Shankaracharya. Yes. He's Shankar. He's Lord Shiva. How he
Yes,
can be a Mayavadi?
Mataji, yes, I agree with Dinabandhu Prabhu, because you know what? My reason of being in ISKCON is because I used to follow yoga gurus very religiously. And in one of his lectures, he said, where a yogi will falter, a devotee will pass with no obstruction. And that's when I realized, he said Bhakti Yoga is the best. And that's the reason I, thought of coming to ISKCON. And yeah, I have heard that a lot from yoga masters, actually. Yeah, because of obvious reasons.
Yes, and one more thing I would like to say here. There is a difference between devotion and devotional service also, Prabhu. You can be devoted to your parents, you can be devoted to anyone, but devotional service is can be done to a person only. So that is a personalism. Devotional service itself is personalism. तो कभी कभी ये जो मायावादी जो लोग हैं वो लोग भक्ति बोलते हैं, लेकिन रेयरली यू कैन सी कि डिवोशनल सर्विस वाला कुछ आएगा, सेवा
जी.
तो that's why we do in devotion in bhakti yoga we do devotional service to Krishna. So that's how it is a sambandha jnana. So you can have a relation with only a person, not with a effulgence. So that is the difference between bhakti and seva. सेवामयी भक्ति और या लविंग डिवोशनल सर्विस, प्रेममयी भक्ति जो बोलते हैं. So loving devotional service, that's what Krishna loves actually. So might that also that difference might be there between the Mayavadis and the Bhakti Yogis. So yeah, but Prabhupada has said that that's why they haven't touched Bhagavatam. Mayavadis, they haven't dared to translate Srimad Bhagavatam, because Srimad Bhagavatam is relation between a devotee and Krishna. It is full of devotees and their pastimes with Krishna. So that is also a service. So this is the difference, Prabhu, कि शायद ये हो सकता है कि we are trying to at least go into this confidential pastimes of between the devotees and Krishna, and we are trying to how to serve Krishna. So service, and that's how we are understanding Krishna as a person, or which requires a lot of humility, actually, a lot of humility. सो त्रिनादपि सुनीचे ना, हम लोग एवरीडे सुबह में बोलते हैं, लेकिन ये कब आएगा हमारे में, ये तो भगवान पता है।
बिल्कुल।
1000 जन्म लग जाएंगे ये कंडीशन आने में। और
बिल्कुल।
ऐसे लोग ही हमेशा भगवान का नाम ले सकेंगे। हम लोग, हमारा कैसा है, सुबह में हम लोग 16 माला कर दिया, फिर हमारा ऐसा हो जाता है कि अभी let me get relieved after I finish this round, I'll be relieved just straight away next morning. So that's why we are not able to chant constantly. यही मीनिंग है शिक्षाष्टकम का। त्रिनादपि सुनेचना तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिना मान देना कीर्तनिया सदा हरि। तो सदा हरि कैसे आएगा? तो भक्ति योग तो कोसों दूर है अभी हम लोग। I would say for myself. Yes प्रभु।
rounds 24/7 माला।
24 हाँ 7 माला करना है, तो कैसे होगा ना? हरिदास ठाकुर तो नहीं हो सके हम लोग। So he is actual भक्ति योगी। So actually भक्ति योगा is, that's why ये शावर आता है, कूल शावर। तो हम लोग भी मन के नीचे भी कर जाते हैं फिर से। हम लोग ग्राउंड पे लेवल पे अच्छे हैं।
That's why Mahaprabhu carried his body,
Yes.
you know, throughout to show that 24/7
Yes. Yes.
himself carried his body throughout the town. So then we don't have that conviction. No, not at all.
Yes, Prabhu.
Mataji, I'll leave. I have to
Yes,
go.
yes, Prabhu. Yeah, so we'll do this verse next week. Now, today only one verse. Next week we might start. We might do 3 verses altogether, because otherwise we won't be able to finish. Okay, thank you so much. And 11th, text 11th. If you can memorize 12, text 12 also, then you can send. Thank you everyone for your great participation. Hare Krishna enthusiasm. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Dandavat pranam everyone. Hare Krishna.